Hello, dear students. So today we are going to start a new one important concept. So there is good chance to ask in your exam for 2 marks, 1 marks and also 4 marks. So here we are going to started about a discussion distinguishes, it means differences between positive economics and normative economics. So here positive economics, it is a scientific explanation of working of an economy. So what is positive economics? It is the scientific explanation of working of an economy. So here positive economics deals with what is or how the economic problems are actually solved. What is or how the economic problems are actually solved. And next one, positive economics can be verified with actual data. So it can be verified with actually, means exact datas. Positive economics aims to make real description of an economic activity. Positive economics aims to make real description of an economic activity. So positive economics is based upon fact, means real datas, and thus not suggestive. So positive economics is based upon fact, means what is exactly is there, so that could be explained within positive economics. And normative economics, here we trying to evaluate it. What should be done, what ought to be. So normative economics, it means, so here we are trying to evaluate it only. What should be done and what ought to be. Normative economics deals with what ought to be or how the economic problems should be solved. How the economic problems should be solved. Normative economics cannot be verified with actual data. So it cannot be verified with actual data. Normative economics aims to determine the ideals. To determine the ideals. Normative economics is based upon individual opinion and therefore it is suggestive in the nature. So normative economics is based upon individual opinion and therefore it is suggestive in a nature. Thank you.